Benjamin from the Messmake Acres. Today we'll be putting the chickens to bed here in the night. I'll show you again our chicken routine on what we do. I've only done this once, so let's do it again. Hear dogs in the background? That's Lewis. Cash too. I just shoot the two shoes. Hey! Hey! Knock it off! Hey! You think that would be Alice, but no, that's Lou. Whoa! Ah! He's attacking me! Alright. Oh, sorry. Alright, there's a little girl right there. Alright, let's go in. Put the lock right here so it's safe. And you open the door. Make sure these guys don't get in. I dread looking down here. Oh, shoot! Hang on. That delay. Had business to attend to. A package supposed to deliver tonight. Completely forgot about it. So, first thing on what we do is we take scratch all that off and put that in there. And then hang on. We do that into the second one as well. Side. I want that close. There it goes. Alright. So we got that taken care of. They're not trapped in there for the night. So let's see how they're doing inside. Chickens! Alright. Welcome to our main flock. Hi, Dwayne. Alright. So, no eggs in here. There's gotta be some wood chips. Wood chips need to be done in the morning. Anywho. Shut that. Then shut this. I didn't do that this morning. Huh. Alright. Anywho, that's all done. Need to count them. There's 5 barred rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Five. Yes. It's for these guys. 1, 2, 3. Let's do 4. Alright. There's 7 of these Australorps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 olive figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 Sussex. Used to be 3. 1, 2. I wonder what happened. Comets. 1, 2, 2. Ooh. That ain't good. Yeah, Americanas. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a white one somewhere. 5. There she is. Alright, so without further ado, this was a little quick settlement, but there's still one more thing I gotta do. Excuse me, ladies. Alright, we're gonna step out here. I haven't done this in a while, but I feel like I would like to do it tonight. Oh man, that just smelled like egg. Alright, so see those? That's all gonna make sense once I open this. See, do that. Take one of these bad boys. Crouch under here. Close it up like so. So mice don't get in it. Here's the problem. Only have a few of them. They've made their way out here. But I don't know where the other one is. Wait. Hi. Nope. Not in there. Alright, anywho. Now, close some of this stuff up real quick. Alright. Alright, now we gotta go over here with making sure we don't step on anything. Alright, now that's 3. Alright, I'm gonna spend a bit looking for the last one. It's still in the cage somewhere. Probably around here somewhere. It's probably over here. Buried. Some corn knobs from when they had corn some years ago. Not there, is it? I don't know. Strange. Usually it's hanging around here. Like there literally was one hanging around here. Bother. Darn it. Under there's it. No, I literally was under there the other day looking eggs. It is 7 o'clock. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down and go inside for dinner because I believe Papa's making classic hot dogs. Alright. I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like for more. And if you want to see more Messmaker Acres content, hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. This is Benjamin from the Messmaker Acres, out.